Look up at the night sky. You see stars, planets, maybe the faint band of our galaxy. But what if I told you that everything visible is just a tiny fraction of what's really out there? The universe we know is mostly hidden, a dark universe. Modern cosmology reveals that the familiar world of atoms is just a sliver of the cosmic pie. For every bit of matter we see, there's a much larger, unseen component lurking in the shadows. Imagine lighting a candle in a vast dark room. The small circle of light is all you know, but most of the room remains in darkness. Our science is that candle. The dark universe is the unseen room. The history and fate of the cosmos are dictated by these invisible components. We've spent centuries mapping the heavens thinking we understood reality, but we were only ever charting the visible foam on the surface of a deep, mysterious ocean. The real story of the universe is happening in the dark, and we're only just beginning to realize it. What is the universe made of? Let's break it down. First, there's normal matter, the atoms in stars, planets, and us. That's just 5% of the universe. The second ingredient, dark matter. It's invisible, makes up about 27%, and we know it's there only because of its gravity. Dark matter doesn't shine, reflect, or cast a shadow. It's a ghostly presence holding galaxies together. The final, most dominant ingredient, dark energy. It's not matter at all, but a force making up 68% of the universe. Dark energy acts like anti-gravity, pushing everything apart and accelerating the universe's expansion. All of human history has played out on just 5% of reality. The other 95%, dark matter and dark energy, remains a mystery. We are minority shareholders in our own universe. The cosmos is stranger than we can imagine. We live surrounded by the unknown, and yet we persist in seeking answers. Dark matter is the silent architect of the cosmos. After the Big Bang, its gravity formed invisible halos, pulling in normal matter to ignite the first stars and galaxies. Without dark matter, galaxies like the Milky Way wouldn't exist. We see galaxies spinning so fast they should fly apart, but something unseen holds them together. That's dark matter, the glue binding the cosmos. Trillions of dark matter particles stream through us every second, undetectable except by their gravitational pull. We're surrounded by a substance that makes up most of all matter, yet it's alien to our experience. Our universe's stability depends on this ghostly framework. If dark matter changed, the cosmic scaffolding could collapse, and life as we know it could vanish. If dark matter holds things together, dark energy tears them apart. In the late 1990s, astronomers discovered the universe's expansion is speeding up, not slowing down. Dark energy is the culprit, stretching space and pushing galaxies away from each other. Eventually, distant galaxies will disappear from view, leaving our Milky Way alone in a vast, empty void. Future astronomers may see only our galaxy, unaware of the universe's true scale. Dark energy is erasing our cosmic history, isolating us from the rest of existence. Some theories predict a catastrophic end, the Big Rip, where dark energy tears apart galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms. The universe could unravel, right down to the fabric of matter itself. Our fate is tied to a force we barely understand. The future may be lonelier and stranger than we can imagine. What does it mean to live in a universe where 95% is a mystery? Our senses show us only a sliver of reality. The rest is hidden, governed by unknown rules. We are actors on a stage we can barely see, subject to cosmic forces beyond our control. We don't know what dark matter or dark energy truly are. Our civilization is built on the 5% we understand, but we are not the masters of our domain. We are adrift in a dark cosmos, surrounded by questions with no answers. The evidence is there, galaxies held together, the universe expanding, but the causes remain hidden. For now, these forces allow us to exist, but there's no guarantee the rules won't change. The dark universe is a reminder. Our existence is fragile, and the greatest dangers may be the ones we cannot even see.